Good morning, everybody. I am in Old San Juan. Yes, sir. Morning, morning. And of course, as most of you know, this is La Sanse. I come every year. But right now, it won't start for another 2 days, so this is why it's all empty. And it's early in the morning. Decided to do a walk around. But I'm gonna go get some coffee and a Mallorca. Mallorca is a Spanish sweet bread. There's a place here that's been here for over 50 years. And they make some awesome sandwiches. This is a good restaurant for dinner. I'm about to go down here, get me a coffee in Mallorca, so I can head back to the Airbnb where I'm staying. Hope you enjoy the view, the walk. Because in 2 or 3 days when you watch this video again, it would not look anything like this. So just enjoy the view as I am watching it. That's where I'm gonna go to get breakfast. As I mentioned earlier, Cola Mallorca. Great place. Every time I come, this is where I gotta have my breakfast. So I will see you shortly. And this is what a Mallorca looks like. It's a bread, sweet bread. I got it with ham, egg, and cheese, and their coffee.